In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Telegram search history. This is a simple but useful feature that lets you see what you've been searching for recently in Telegram, and also gives you the option to clear specific searches if you want to keep things tidy. Whether you're looking to revisit a previous search or just want to manage your search privacy, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your device. Once you're in Sohan, look at the top left corner of your screen where you'll see the search bar. Click on the search bar to activate it. As soon as you click into the search field, you'll notice a drop-down list appears below it. This drop-down shows your recent searches in Telegram. These are the keywords, contacts, groups, or channels you've searched for previously. Take a moment to scroll through this list to review your search history. Now, if you want to delete a specific search entry from your history, simply hover your mouse over the entry you want to remove. When you hover over it, you'll see a small X icon appear on the right side of that search entry. Click the X icon to delete that particular search from your history. The entry will be removed immediately, and it will no longer appear in your recent searches list. You can repeat this process for any other searches you want to clear from your history. It's that simple. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Telegram search history and learned how to delete individual entries. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.